In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Freshdesk. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll use, and I'll share a few tips along the way so your signature looks polished and professional. Start by opening Freshdesk in your browser and signing in with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your home base for tickets and team activity. From here, you'll head into the settings area where signatures are managed. Look to the left sidebar and click the admin option with the small gear icon. This is where all of your account and team settings live, including agent profiles. Inside admin, locate the team section and select agents. You'll see a list of all agents who have access to your Freshdesk account. Find your own name in that list and click your agent profile to open your personal settings. This page holds your contact details and the options that affect your replies. In the top right corner, click the Edit button. That unlocks the fields you can update, including your signature. Scroll down until you see the signature field. This is the text that will automatically appear at the bottom of your email replies in Freshdesk. Type in the details you want to include, such as your full name, role, company, and preferred contact information. Keep it concise and relevant so it's helpful without becoming cluttered. You'll notice a formatting toolbar right above the field. Use it to style your signature in a clean, consistent way. You can apply bold or italic text to highlight your name or title, insert hyperlinks to your company website or a help center article, and, if you like, add a small logo for branding. If you use a logo, make sure it's a modest size so it doesn't overwhelm your replies. Aim for a simple, readable layout that looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your changes take effect immediately, and your new signature is now active for your outgoing replies. To confirm everything looks right, open a ticket and click Reply. Your signature should automatically appear at the bottom of the message. If you don't see it, try refreshing the page and checking your profile settings again to ensure the changes were saved. That's it! You've successfully added an email signature in Freshdesk. With a clear, well-formatted signature, your replies look more professional and give customers the right information every time. Thanks for watching!